Folks, here we are. I got my little buddy right here. Favorite little buddy in the world right here. Colin, you want to introduce yourself? What's your name? Colin. I'm glad you're here tonight with me, buddy. I sure enjoy hunting with you. And where we at? Hog City, Georgia? That's where we're at, right? Well, folks, we're going to see if we can get it done. Colin, my little buddies, we're sitting in a blind over the feeder, which y'all can see. And what are you shooting, a 22 Magnum, Colin? You feel comfortable with it? Alright, good deal. Okay, alright, we'll get it done, alright? Where are we going to put it at? Behind the ear, right? Right under the ear. That's right, exactly. Alright, folks, y'all stay tuned. We're going to see if we can get it done. It's going to be a lot of fun. Alright, folks, we got hogs over there to our left. I can hear them walking. Let's see if they come on out. We just put this blind up. They might smell it. We don't know. Here they come. Here they come. Holy cow, boy. Look at that. Look through your scope now. You see them good. You get right now. You can't stand up. Gotta get comfortable. You see them good. Don't. Just look. Just look. You see them good. Okay, good. No, let them keep coming. Quit. Let them keep coming. Alright, we gotta let them get comfortable. Are you comfortable? Okay. Don't point. Quit moving. That's great. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do here. I can't even count them all. Alright, we gotta get one by itself, okay? Let me concentrate. Let's concentrate. We gotta concentrate on what we're doing, okay? Pay attention. Right there. Hold up. Let me get your safety off. Don't shoot him until you get it on his ear. Let him turn sideways. He's gotta get still now. Don't shoot until he's real still. Okay? No, you go for the one I tell you to. Not that one. Wait, don't do nothing yet. Alright, pay attention now. Don't, just wait. We want one all the way to the right. Alright, here we go. See the one way to the right? Get on your trigger. Okay. Wait, no, not now. He's moving too fast. Not yet. Not yet. Quit looking at them other hogs. Pay attention to that one. Wait. On his ear. No, not yet. He's moving too fast. Let him turn. Put it on his ear. Okay. No, you ain't got him. Not yet. Put it right by the legs. Moving too much. Wait. Quit moving. No. Just wait. Just wait. Right, here he comes to the right. getting real close right here. No. All right, watch the one on the far right. No. Here he comes back. The one right, see? The one on the far right over here in the sun. All right, put it on him. Wait till he stops. Put it right between his eyes. No, you don't. He's moving. Oh, man. It's tough. All right. Shoot that one between it right now. Sweet. Hold up. Put another one in. All right, put the safety on. Hold up.
I see it.
Hold up. Put another one in him. Put another one. See him moving over there? See him moving? Put it on. Sweet. All right, hold up. Calm down. Right, go fast. Go. Right, put your safety on. Safety on. Hold up. Safety on. Calm down. All right, hold up. All right, let's wait. Put you here. Grab your gun. I think you got him, baby. Hold up. Let's hold up, okay? Let's find out. You feel better? All right, what we're gonna do, let's slip out there to him, okay? Walk up there real slow. Don't go slow. Go slow. Let's come here. Let's walk around this way. Look at there, buddy. That is some good shooting right there. Exactly where I wanted you to put it. Give me a high five, man. All right, grab him by the legs and pull him out.
Does he have any cutters?
Yeah, no, he's good. You're fine. Grab him by the legs and pull him out. Come on. Come on out here with him, little buddy. How you feel, little man?
Good.
You're pretty happy, ain't you? All right, here. Give me that. Give me some knuckles. All right, hold your gun right. Hold your gun properly.
Got some meat to go in the freezer.
There we go, man. All right, let's get some good pictures. Well, tell everybody out there in the world about hunting with your best friend, Dwayne, at City River Hunting Fish. What'd you think about it?
I loved it.
Was it cool or not? Well, we took our time. We got it right, didn't we, buddy? Was you nervous? I was nervous, huh?
Yeah, but I was nervous too.
Was you nervous? You know you made one heck of a shot, don't you? Tell everybody out there in the world how old you are.
I'm 7.
7 years old. First pig that you got.
Yep.
22 Magnum. Give me some more knuckles. Let's get some good pictures. Tell everybody out in the world, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.